What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. We got some snow in today, guys, so we're not going to take any customers in. So we got Justin down here, and Betty White needed a little TLC. But as you can see, she's not in the greatest condition. So Justin's gonna give her the love she needs. Good Lord. Dirty. See, we got a list, guys. We're gonna make fast, but we also need a wash me. And I got the new headlights in it too, so I'm gonna get him to ceramic coat those.
Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going, yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing, yeah, I gotta keep working, yeah, at least for the moment, and start with a million. And so my family knows that we are set for life, yeah, ain't nothing that's gonna take over. She know when they're gonna take it, but I grab it, I'ma have it, I've been good on my habits, so I gotta do it, man, I thought I don't math this, cause I've been really good, man, I want my status, damn, they gonna see that I do this, they gonna see that I did this, though, now they say, oh shit, I can't do the same when you kidding, bro, cause I spend my time just working, but I spend my time just grinding, and I spend my time in the studio with these lyrics, just combining, just fortune all these diamonds, cause I made it from far, and nobody believed it, but I showed them what I was, it's sure. Italian made monster and back on my run, yeah. I'm about to show them what I have been on, yeah. Yes, I'm about to do it when they see that I'm wrong. Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going, yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing, yeah, I gotta keep working, yeah, at least for the moment, and start with a million, and I want my mansion, so my family knows that we are set for life, yeah, ain't nothing that's gonna take over. She know when they're gonna take it, but I grab it, I'ma have it, I've been good on my habits, so I gotta do it, man, I thought I don't math this, cause I've been really good, man, I want my status, damn, they gonna see that I do this, they gonna see that I did this, though, now they say, oh shit.
Alright, Justin got me all cleaned up. Even the carpet in the back looks brand new. Seats look refreshed. We still got to get some time to get the outside cleaned up, guys, but we are definitely making some progress. Alright, that's part one of cleaning up Betty White. Justin got jumped all on that interior. In the next video, we're going to clean up the exterior and get that back to the old Betty White that we used to love and wasn't neglected. So guys, hit that subscribe, drop a comment below, and now we're offering detailing at TK Auto Works. So if you need your car cleaned up, just let us know. Peace.
Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going. Yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing. Yeah, I gotta keep working. Yeah, at least for the moment, start with $1 million. And I want my mansion, so my family knows that we are set for life. Yeah, ain't nothing that's gonna take over. Shit, know when they're gonna take it, but I grab it. I'ma have it. I've been cut to my habits, so I